Today I'll be talking about Toyota Tacoma. I think it's similar from 2006 to 2015. I'm gonna show you how to reset tire pressure on your dashboard. So mine's 2015, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. That'll help a bunch, and it helps me to post more videos. And if you want to see more videos about Tacoma, let me know what you want to know, and also if you want me to do a review on it. But to reset the tire pressure, what you want to do is either start the car all the way or just put it on this mode and click 1, 2 on position where everything lights up. Once everything lights up, how to reset it, you have a special button right here. It's right under the steering wheel, right in here. And what you need to do is probably hold it for about, I would say, 5 to 10 seconds, and you'll see it's gonna blink right here. I'm gonna press right now, holding it, and then see how it's blinking. 1, 2, 3, and then now it's gone. That's it, and that's how you set it. So yeah, or you can have it on the start position as well. Also, comment below if anything else you want to know about this truck. I had this truck for a while. It's been a nice truck. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.